Hi there, it's Natasha and this is quiz time. Today's quiz is about meetings, reuniones, meetings, okay? So let's get straight to the point. What does to call a meeting mean, okay? A, cancelar una reunión. B, convocar una reunión. C, concluir una reunión. D, asistir a una reunión. Okay, to call a meeting means B, very good. B, convocar una reunión. We literally say llamar una reunión. For example, the head of sales called a meeting this morning. Now, if you are the head of sales in a company, you are A, in charge of sales, B, responsible of sales, C, on charge in sales, D, responsible at sales. And the correct answer is A, okay? To be in charge of, así decimos, ser el responsable de, to be in charge of sales, to be in charge of marketing, lo que sea. Okay, going back to meetings, how do we say asistir a una reunión in English, okay? A, to attend a meeting. B, to attend to a meeting. C, to assist to a meeting. D, to assist a meeting. What do you think? False friend alert, okay? Be careful. It's not to assist and it's not to attend to, okay? What we say is A, very good, to attend a meeting, to attend a meeting. Asistir a una reunión. Okay, very good. You did a fantastic job. See you next time.